How to fix Instagram story couldn't upload, try again. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. Now if you try to actually create or see the Instagram story, and you will see that it couldn't upload, or you cannot upload your Instagram story, then what you need to do is to of course make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Here you have to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi, and if Wi-Fi is weak or you don't have any Wi-Fi, of course you have to go to your cellular data here. Now if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is to actually go here to your settings, here in your settings, and go to your iPhone storage, your general, and go to your iPhone storage and look for the Instagram application here, Instagram, and then offload the application and reinstall the application to just refresh the application. Now if you're done doing that and it still doesn't work, then what you want to do is to go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have, and go for Instagram, and make sure that you have updated the application, because maybe it's because the application is outdated. That's why it is having a problem with your iPhone, or I mean your Instagram story, that couldn't upload. So if it still doesn't work that way, then the last option for you is to go here to your Instagram directly. Go to your Instagram, and then on the bottom part you'll see 5 different options. Go to your profile, and then on the upper right you'll see the burger icon or the 3 dash lines there. Tap on that and then go to settings. Now here on settings, go to help, and of course report a problem, and report problem without shaking. Now here, tap on include and continue, and briefly explain what happened. So you can put there that my Instagram story couldn't upload. I couldn't upload my Instagram story. It keeps on saying try again, and you have to upload a photo or a screenshot of that problem, and tap on send on the upper right, and you just have to wait around 48 hours for the Instagram community to get back to you and fix your problem. Now, what you can do also next is you can go to your Google and check for the Instagram status. If there has been a report there, that means the Instagram itself is currently down. And basically that's it. That's how you fix Instagram story couldn't upload, try again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.